Get ready to discover some of the coolest tools and gadgets that can make your life easier and more fun. From high-tech innovations to clever everyday solutions, these products are designed to boost efficiency, convenience, and creativity. Whether you're a tech lover, a DIY enthusiast, or just curious about the latest gear, this video has something for you. Stay tuned for some amazing finds. Spider Burr. The Spider Burr is a specialized tool designed for professionals, specifically for external pipe chamfering. The PC 2000 model offers a working range of 75 to 110 mm, making it compatible with a variety of pipe sizes. It's powered by cordless drills of 14 volts or higher, adding convenience for on-site tasks. One of its standout features is automatic adjustment, making it easy to use without manual tweaking. The PC 2000 works not only with PVC, but also CPVC, ABS, and PP pipes, increasing its versatility. Priced at $179, this tool provides precision and ease for pipe work. Marshalltown Liftlander. People often struggle with carrying bulky yet not excessively heavy items such as stepladders, gas tanks, or chipboard on their own. That is where the Liftlander hook comes in, a simple yet patented solution designed to make transportation easier while reducing the risk of injury. This lightweight yet sturdy plastic tool weighs less than 300 grams and offers more than just lifting assistance. It proves useful for various household tasks, such as lifting furniture for cleaning or handling gutter maintenance. While it is an excellent aid for builders, it is also a practical addition to any home toolkit. With a price of just $20, the Liftlander is an affordable and valuable investment for anyone looking to make lifting and carrying tasks more manageable. What if drilling tasks could be completed in minutes instead of hours? That is exactly what the creators of the Rapidrill system believe. The secret lies in its uniquely designed frame, which securely holds the drill, making the process both more comfortable and efficient. With approximately 450 kilograms of added leverage, this system allows users to drill with significantly less effort. Another major advantage is the extended lifespan of drill bits. Thanks to the optimal working angle, wear and tear are minimized, making it a cost-effective solution in the long run. Whether you are a car mechanic, metal worker, or another professional needing precise and powerful drilling, this patented system is built to enhance productivity. The Rapidrill is available for $660, and to ensure compatibility, a list of supported drills can be found on the official website. Bosch Paint Sprayer. Bosch, a global leader in car equipment, hasn't forgotten about DIY enthusiasts. Their PFS 7000 paint sprayer is a prime example, boasting a powerful 1,400 watt motor, making it the most powerful in its category. With this tool, you can cover up to 4 square meters in just a minute, ensuring fast and efficient work. Perfect for use with varnish, the PFS 7000 comes with 2 1-liter containers, offering extended use without frequent refills. The 4-meter hose provides excellent mobility, making it easy to maneuver while working. At $367, this paint sprayer offers power, efficiency, and versatility for DIY projects. STANLEY FATMAX. STANLEY's FATMAX Tradelift is designed to meet a variety of lifting needs, whether you're holding a door, leveling a cabinet, or installing a new washing machine. This versatile universal jack supports loads up to 150 kilogram and can lift them to a height of 22 centimeter. The jack features a deeply recessed button for reducing the risk of accidental presses. Additionally, the lever allows you to lift weights using your foot, minimizing the risk of pinching your hands. With its practical design and safety features, the FATMAX Tradelift is available for $137, offering reliable performance for various tasks. Raizi EasiSeam. A standard porcelain tile covering approximately 1 square meter with a thickness of 9 millimeters typically weighs around 19 to 20 kilograms. While this is already substantial, even heavier options, such as granite, pose an even greater challenge during installation. That is where the Raizi EasiSeam system steps in, offering a reliable solution for leveling and caulking tasks. This advanced suction cup and frame system ensures precision, even on rough surfaces, and can automatically manage pressure when required. The suction cups can also be detached and used separately, providing greater flexibility for various applications. Impressively, a single Nemo Grabo suction cup can support up to 170 kilograms of ceramic tile or glass, making it a powerful tool for professionals. Considering its capabilities, the system's price of $1,000 is a worthwhile investment for those looking to simplify heavy-duty tile and stone installations. Geevorks Nail Gun. The Geevorks Nail Gun is designed for driving fasteners like concrete nails with the power of gunpowder, making it suitable for masonry and steel structures. It features adjustable impact force with 5 different levels, which can be modified by unscrewing special plugs. Included in the kit are safety goggles and earplugs, emphasizing the importance of safety while using the tool. Remarkably, the Geevorks Nail Gun is priced at just $24.50. Given its low cost, you might wonder about its durability and longevity, but it offers a surprising value for its price. Werner Ladder. Werner Co. stands as a global leader in manufacturing ladders and equipment designed for working at heights. The company asserts that its ladders are used more frequently on construction sites than all other brands combined. Among its impressive lineup, the Aero series stands out. These fiberglass ladders are designed to be exceptionally lightweight without sacrificing durability. In fact, they are 25% lighter than standard ladders while maintaining the same level of reliability. The 5-meter variant weighs only 14 kilograms, yet supports loads of up to 170 kilograms. Models are available in lengths of up to 10 meters, catering to various professional needs. The ladders are secured with the unique box lock technology and feature specialized grips, including cable grips, for added safety. Due to their non-conductive properties, they are particularly essential for electricians. The cost of a 5-meter ladder is $470, making it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize safety and efficiency. Ryobi Bolt Cutter. The Japanese company Ryobi has introduced a battery-powered bolt cutter designed to replace traditional manual versions. This innovative tool runs on 18-volt 1+ batteries, which are compatible with over 280 Ryobi tools, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. With the ability to deliver up to 200 cuts on a single charge, it handles materials with diameters of up to 10 millimeters effortlessly. The design prioritizes precision, offering a clear view of the cutting zone, while separate forward and reverse buttons enhance control and ease of use. Considering its capabilities, the Ryobi bolt cutter comes at an impressive price of just $130, making it a compelling investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Hooyman Manual Spreader. This spreader proves its worth throughout the year. In spring, it helps distribute seeds efficiently. During summer, it ensures even fertilizer coverage, and in winter, it becomes essential for spreading salt on icy surfaces. The creators have even patented a specialized disc that provides a spreading range of 6 meters, making it a reliable tool for various tasks. Comfort has also been a key focus in its design. Even when fully loaded with 16 kilograms, the adjustable strap system minimizes strain, making it easy to carry and use. The manual version is priced at $150 United States dollars. However, if you prefer to skip the effort of cranking, a battery-powered version is available for $250, offering an extended range of up to 8 meters. Makita Cordless Polisher. The Makita Cordless Polisher offers unmatched convenience with its cordless design, freeing you from the limitations of power outlets and tangled extension cords. This allows you to work anywhere with ease. The tool operates in 2 modes: random orbit with forced rotation or free rotation, providing flexibility for various polishing tasks. It features 2 power settings, high and low. The high power mode delivers corded level performance, making it perfect for surface corrections, while the low power mode extends runtime for prolonged polishing sessions. Equipped with a BL brushless motor, the polisher eliminates carbon brushes, enhancing efficiency and extending motor life. Additionally, the variable speed control ensures you can adjust the speed to suit each specific task, making it a versatile tool for any project. Carbench UL300. The Carbench UL300 hydraulic car lift is an excellent choice for garages or small workshops with limited space. When folded, it's just 10 cm tall, making it easy to store, but it extends to lift cars to a standing height. The lift offers over 10 settings to accommodate any passenger car, with an adjustable restraining bar width to match the vehicle's dimensions. Controlled via a remote, it allows for precise adjustments by tightening bolts at specific points. The UL300's design emphasizes reliability and versatility, making it a practical addition to any workspace. Laserliner DigiLevel. No modern toolset is complete without a reliable level, and the Laserliner DigiLevel Laser Designation 40 is a standout option. Offering more than just sleek design, it delivers precise accuracy of 0.5 mm per meter and provides digital tilt measurement over a full 360 degrees range. With its magnetic mount, this level is perfect for use on metal structures, making it a versatile choice for various projects. It also features audible navigation that alerts you at angles of degrees: 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 135 degrees, and 180 degrees, ensuring you stay on track. Available for $111, it combines accuracy, convenience, and modern functionality. DEWALT UK. DEWALT, a leading name in the construction market since 1922, is renowned for its innovative tools. From pioneering the world's first radio arm saw to launching the first cordless plunge saw in 2008, DEWALT has continually pushed boundaries. Today we're focusing on their compact cordless circular saw, which weighs just 2.5 kg, making it easy to use with one hand. This model offers a maximum cutting depth of 39 mm at a 90 degrees angle. With a 5 ampere-hour battery, it can cut up to 90 meters of 12 mm thick plywood on a single charge. This tool is priced at $590, reflecting its advanced features and efficiency. Spanner Wrench Extender. When a nut is out of reach, you might wonder how to extend your wrench without damaging it. Instead of welding a rod to your tool, the Spanner Wrench Extender offers a smarter solution. This extender attaches to the wrench, becoming a new handle and increasing its length by 38 cm. Thanks to the physics of leverage, a longer handle means less force is needed to loosen or tighten nuts. The steel jaw is designed to fit various wrench sizes, including adjustable ones. This handy tool provides an easy solution for just $40, making tough jobs much easier.